All right, hey there. There's two horses here. I had been calling her the new horse for a long time, but now there's another new horse. So, in any case, she turning her into a rope horse or whatever, like ranch style rope horse. Oh, see, there goes the other one. So I'm getting two horses used to being roped and whatnot at the same time. Oh, right there. There. Hey. Oh, almost tried to had it flipped off her head, but anyway, that's kind of what I do just while they're relaxed and eating. Just throw a rope at them.